the.g.life. So today's video is a cook and clean with me. For dinner tonight we're gonna have some turkey hard shell tacos, and then you guys will see what we basically do every day after dinner to clean up the kitchen. Michael helps me in the dining room and getting Michael set up, and then he watches him while I finish cleaning up the kitchen, and this is pretty much our routine every single night. Anyways, I hope that for dinner you guys get an idea of maybe what to feed your family, and we're actually gonna have this same turkey meat tomorrow, so the following day, but I'm gonna add some black beans, corn, and then some rice, and probably avocado as well, and it's gonna be something different, but it's still gonna be the same food, and it's gonna save me so much time for tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next one.
So after I take out all of the ingredients for today's dinner, I'm just going to start cooking the turkey since that takes a while to cook. And I'm just using this meat, I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's a meat, I guess, separator or something. I got it at Target. It's an amazing tool. I love it, especially if your ground meat is still frozen. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and start packing Michael's lunch. So I'm packing him some breakfast, which is that yogurt parfait, and then a pasta salad, that's for lunch. And then a couple of snacks for him to have throughout the day. I like to be as prepared as possible in the morning when I get his lunch all packed up. So I also make sure to get his coffee creamer ready for his coffee. Then I'm moving on to making some cold brew coffee. I got these containers from Costco. I got two for maybe about $15, and I like to mix regular caffeinated coffee and decaf coffee because for some reason I can't have too much decaf because then I just cannot sleep, and I already have issues sleeping, so I don't want to make it even worse. So by this time the turkey is already fully cooked. I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of this taco seasoning and a little bit of water, and I'm going to cover it and go ahead and let it finish cooking.
Hey, okay, Mom, let me see your flexing.
Show Mommy your flex. Come on. Come on, show Mommy.
Show me, show me.
Yeah. High five. Now the other one. Now both. Now flex. Come on.
You're so silly, boy.
So I cut up all of the toppings for our tacos. I'm using tomatoes, romaine lettuce, cilantro. I like to put in the taco shells in the microwave before we start eating. I obviously like that they're warm, and I also like that they're a little bit crunchier. So at this time, I'm just going to go ahead and start preparing the table for dinner time. As you can tell, Michael Jr. is so ready for dinner, so he's even moving his chair over. going to go ahead and start preparing our tacos. So I'm obviously starting with the ground meat. And then I'm just going to add some of the greens into each taco. And then into mine, I like to add tomatoes. Do you guys like tomatoes? My husband Michael isn't a big fan. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some cheese as well. And I like to think that we eat a little bit healthier, so instead of adding regular sour cream, we're just using non-fat Greek yogurt as a sour cream, and I honestly can't tell the difference. I know some people can, I can't. It all tastes the same to me, to be honest. And so I'm adding some avocados to my tacos, and I'm also adding some salsa. We go to Taco Bell every once in a while, and they always give us tons of salsa, so I always save it.
Don't drop it. You need to eat your avocado. Avocado.
Go.
Eat your avocado.
Go.
Cow. A cow?
Go.
What does a cow say, Michael? That was pretty good. What does a horse say? Hey. What does a dog say? Woof, woof. What does that cat say?
No.
Meow. Meow. What does mama say? Avocado. What does daddy say? Daddy says avocado too? Yeah? Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say lily pad? Lily pad? Say lily pad. Can you say I love you? Hi. Can you say I love you? No, you can't say I love you yet. Can you say book? Can you say bus? Can you say carro? Carro. Can you say huevo? Can you say please? What about gracias? What about gracias? Gracias. Can you say I love you? I.
So my husband Michael usually takes care of the dining room after dinner. He cleans up my son Michael, puts him in his packing place so he can play while we finish cleaning up after dinner. And then he cleans up his high chair, cleans up the table, takes the placemats where they need to be, and puts everything away that's in the table, and also wipes down the table. And since I have a toddler, a lot of his food always ends up on the floor, so he does the sweeping of the dining room as well. And as he's cleaning up the dining room, I move on to the kitchen. I put away any leftovers that we might have. Like I said, I will be using these leftovers for tomorrow, so it's nice to have that cooked already. And then I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up the counters. I'm using the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I love this cleaner. I haven't had it for a couple of months and I've honestly missed it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start washing dishes. As you guys know, we do not have a dishwasher, so hand washing it is. Once I'm done with the dishes, I just finish up cleaning the rest of the kitchen. I use, again, the Method cleaner to clean up all the counters. I honestly love this cleaner. It leaves everything so nice and shiny. I absolutely love it, and I missed it while I didn't have it. And then I'm just wiping everything down. I didn't use the stove too much this day, but I'm still gonna clean it up. I like to clean it every day, even if it's just a small wipe through, just because it makes it look so much nicer and prettier. Just going to sweep, and Michael, my husband, is going to go throughout the trash can since it's pretty full, and that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope that you guys will subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye everyone.